On March 8, 2014, flight MH370 vanished from radar screens, disappearing into the vastness of the Indian Ocean. On that fateful night, 239 souls embarked on a journey that would become one of aviation's most enduring mysteries. As news of the disappearance broke, the world watched in stunned silence, a collective breath held in anticipation of answers that never came. In the face of uncertainty, a multinational search effort was launched. Ships, planes, and satellites scoured the ocean, their relentless pursuit of the truth echoing the desperate hope of families and friends left behind. Yet the Indian Ocean, vast and unforgiving, gave up no secrets. Day after day, the search continued, a small flotilla against the immensity of the ocean. But the elusive wreckage remained hidden, the final resting place of flight MH370 lost to the depths. Despite extensive search operations, the wreckage remained elusive. The ocean, an unforgiving abyss, swallowed the aircraft whole, leaving behind only questions and shattered dreams. Initial investigations revealed a deliberate course deviation, leading the aircraft into remote and treacherous airspace. This unexpected turn of events sparked a multitude of theories. Among them, the one that stood out was the deliberate disabling of the aircraft's transponder and communication systems. This act of manipulation, experts believe, was no mere accident. It suggested a calculated move, a premeditated action that only deepened the enigma. Aviation experts from around the globe joined the investigative fray, their expertise shining a light on the baffling circumstances of the disappearance. Yet despite their collective wisdom, the mystery remained as impenetrable as the ocean depths that swallowed the aircraft. Theories proliferated, each more intriguing than the last. Was it an act of terrorism, a mechanical failure, or something even more sinister? The lack of tangible evidence only deepens the mystery, fueling speculation and conspiracy theories. As we delve deeper into the abyss, the truth about flight MH370 remains elusive, concealed within the confines of the unknown. Some speculate about mechanical failure, others entertain the possibility of hijacking or pilot suicide. There are those who suggest an onboard fire, while whispers of a controlled ditching into the ocean also echo in the corners of speculation. Each theory, as compelling as it may be, lacks the concrete evidence needed to put the mystery to rest. The final moments of flight MH370 remain shrouded in uncertainty. Yet each theory raises more questions than answers, leaving us adrift in a sea of uncertainty. In the end, flight MH370 serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the boundless mysteries that lie beneath the surface. This event has left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness, prompting us to question, to investigate, and to learn. It underscores the importance of relentless pursuit of truth, of pushing boundaries in aviation safety, and of ensuring that such a tragedy never repeats itself. For now, the truth remains submerged, waiting to be unearthed from the depths of history.